Your favorite fruit channel is here again.
Did you know? Cucumbers
Are made up of over 95% water. So if you're tired of plain old H2O, slice up some cucumber, toss it in your water bottle, and boom, instant refreshment. But wait, there's more. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. That means they help fight off those pesky free radicals and keep your skin glowing. Oh, and your digestive system? Thank the fiber in cucumbers for keeping things smooth. Now, let's make it tasty. My absolute go-to is a cucumber and yogurt salad. Just chop up some cucumbers, stir them into Greek yogurt, toss in fresh mint, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt. It's creamy, tangy, and ridiculously good. Looking for a snack? Try cucumber sushi rolls. Use thin cucumber slices as a wrap, then fill them with avocado, carrots, and a hint of wasabi. So fresh, so easy. No rice needed. And don't forget pickles. With just vinegar, a little sugar, dill, and garlic, you can whip up your own quick pickles in under an hour. Crunchy, zesty, and perfect on sandwiches or straight from the jar. So next time you spot a cucumber, remember, it's not just a veggie, it's your new wellness sidekick. Give these recipes a try and unlock a little healthy magic in your kitchen.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.